Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be reviewing the EVO LCD Arm. This is a fully customizable arm that holds your computer monitor, so let's go ahead and unbox this. So right here we just have a simple one page of instructions, and this is the base of the arm that will clamp onto your desk or table. Now this right here is the metal plate that will attach to the monitor, and these are just some basic tools to loosen or tighten the adjustments of the arm. This is the main EVO arm right here. This is where all the magic happens with all the adjustments on the EVO. And this black knob is just used to loosen or tighten it on your desk or table. So let's go ahead and attach the metal plate here. You just put in the 4 screws and it'll just screw right into the EVO arm for the monitor plate, and they provide you all 4 screws for it. So now that we have that done, we're going to go ahead and attach the monitor to the EVO arm. And again, they provide you all 4 screws. You just screw it in through the 4 screws on your monitor. I'm going to go ahead and attach this to my stool here. You're obviously not going to be using a stool, but when you attach it to your desk, you just turn the bottom knob on the bottom to tighten it onto your desk. So we're going to go ahead and plug in the EVO arm here, and I already have my monitor all hooked up to it. Alright, so here's a wide view of it. Now, as you can see, when I push it down, where my fingers are right here, when I push it back up, that is what makes this unique. The bottom arm, where I was touching my fingers on, this is actually using a gas cylinder. There's a gas spring cylinder inside of that. Now, most typical LCD arms will just use a regular spring. This is a gas cylinder spring, which is kind of like what you use to lift up your computer chair up and down. So you can already see it moves fully and freely. It's panning up and down, left to right, and it'll spin all the way around really easily. So this will leave lots of room for your desk. So now you can see up at the top there's an adjustment here where my hand is, and there's also one in the middle and at the bottom. The bottom one will spin actually, I believe, all the way around 360 degrees. Also the middle one that I'm spinning right now, that's 360 degrees also. Now, as I said, you can adjust the stiffness of it. So right here on this bottom screw, I can actually make it really tight. So actually what this will do is make it pop the monitor up really easily without having to push it. So watch. When I pull it down, let go, and it automatically goes up without touching it. Just give it a little push with one finger. But for the most part, it just pops right back up. And you can loosen that to make it stay down. So now I have this attached to my desk, and you can see the wire running down the arm. So I want to point this out. This is a great feature of this. They incorporate a great way to manage your cables. You can see it goes through one plastic ring right here in the middle, and there's another one at the bottom. So how this works is you pull out this plastic ring, and this will just put your cord in between it, and then pop the ring back on, and it keeps your cord on, and it'll actually spin around while you spin the arm. It'll actually go with it, and it won't get tangled or anything. So this keeps your cords out of the way really easily. So it's a great cable management system that they incorporated into the EVO arm. And as I showed you earlier, you can adjust how easily the bottom gas cylinder of the arm will go down and up. With this bolt right here, you can just turn it left or right to adjust it. And there's also a second bolt up here at the top that will control the stiffness of the top adjustments of the arm, how easily it will like spin left to right. So the monitor will also spin 360 degrees all the way around, so you can do portrait mode or landscape mode. And this arm will hold up to about a 22-inch monitor or 21 pounds. So this is perfect because my monitor is only about 13 pounds, so it gives you flexibility to upgrade to a bigger size. So that's it. That's my review of the EVO LCD 5545 arm. It's great to start off with, or for just one single monitor if you're looking for a LCD arm.